Good morning, class 8 students. Students, today we are going to start with the third chapter of geography. So let's start. Students, the name of the third chapter is Minerals and Power Resources. Students, in this chapter, we are going to read about the different minerals found and how they are important and how we can conserve it. So let's start with the topic. The natural occurring substances that have definite chemical composition is called mineral. If the question is there, what are minerals? Every time this question has been coming in your mind also, what are minerals? How minerals are formed? Minerals are nothing, the natural occurring substance, the substances which occur naturally and have a definite chemical composition. They have chemical properties, that is known as the minerals. Minerals are not evenly distributed over space. Not evenly distributed means they are not same everywhere. They are different in different spaces of the earth. They are concentrated in a particular area or rock formation. They will be concentrated in different areas, or they can be in the form of rock formation also. Some minerals are found in the area which are not easy accessible, such as Arctic oceans and bed and Antarctica. See, some minerals are found in the Arctic Ocean and Antarctica which are not easily accessible, means which are within our reach. We cannot easily get these. Minerals are formed in different types of geological environment. How minerals are formed? Because of the different climatic conditions, different geological environment, minerals are formed. Under varying conditions, they are created by natural processes without any human interference. And when there is no interference of the human, that leads to the formation of minerals. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, harshness, and chemical properties such as solubility. The physical properties of the mineral is color, density, and hardness, and chemical properties is solubility, through which the minerals are formed and we can have it. This is a natural process. Clear, students? Now, next topic is type of minerals. Students, if you see this flow chart, the minerals are being divided into metallic and non-metallic. Then there is ferrous and non-ferrous. So let's start with the topic. There are 3,000 different minerals on the basis of composition. Minerals are classified mainly on metallic and non-metallic. See, minerals, if we talk about, they can be 3,000 types of minerals, different minerals. And we categorize it on the basis of the composition mineral. But here we have classified into two parts: metallic and non-metallic, metallic, ferrous and non-ferrous. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. What are metallic minerals? Which carry metal in the raw form. Okay. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity. Metals are hard substances. If we kind which type of substances metals are, they are hard substances and conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristics of luster or shine. They can be in luster form or they can have a shine form. These are the characteristics. Iron oxide, bauxite, magnesium ore, and other example of metallic minerals. May be ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals, they can metallic, again divided into two parts: ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals are like iron ore, magnesium, manganese, chromite, containing iron. These are the example of ferrous: magnesium, iron ore, and chromite. A non-ferrous mineral does not contain iron. Non-ferrous may there is no iron properties, but many contain some other metal. They may not be containing iron ore, but they may be containing other metal like gold, silver, copper, or lead. Clear, class? Now, next topic is non-metallic. Next part is not non-metallic. Minerals do not contain metal. Non-metallic minerals, there is no metal. Limestone, mica, gypsum are the examples of such minerals. These are the examples of non-metallic which do not contain any metal. The mineral fuels like coal and petroleum are non-metallic minerals. Fuel, coal, petroleum are also the example of non-metallic minerals. Right, class? Thank you.